Alrighty, folks. The other day, Carolyn canned up sausage. She did it like she usually did, cold pack. And then she also tried hot pack. Well, today's going to be a blind taste test. We're going to see which one we prefer better. Well, Carolyn knows which one, I don't. I'm going to be honest, folks. Both of them taste delicious. We'll let Daniel, try a spoonful of these here. See which one, if you can tell the difference.
Or which one you like better, texture.
Yep.
Okay. I like both of them, but you really can't tell the difference. To me, anyway.
Alright, Shug, tell us, which one is it?
Okay. Now, which one do you think?
I don't know. They both
Texture-wise.
texture and everything's still the same.
Okay, this is the cold pack, and this is the hot pack.
Both of them tasted great to me.
Mm-hmm.
So whichever is the least work, which I would say is the cold pack, just go ahead and it's up to you. Which you prefer?
I like them both. I don't know. So they taste the same, everyone.
Tastes good to me.
Yep, tastes delicious.
But no, one of our subscribers asked the other day which we preferred. This is our honest thing. I can't tell a difference. Daniel can't tell a difference. Can you tell a difference? Texture or anything?
The only difference I can see, nothing to do with taste or texture, it's there's more in the hot pack than the cold pack. Because, you know, this is already cooked, so more meat went in it.
That does make sense, folks. You can see the difference between this bowl and this bowl here. So, I hadn't really thought of that there, but yep. Texture-wise, taste-wise, they do both taste the same to us. So, folks, whichever way you prefer to do it, that's what I suggest. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. We'll be seeing you soon. Thank you for watching. Hello, folks. This here's little Noelle. She's a little orphan. We're going to raise her on a bottle there in the house, and she'll be out here in the orphanage.